Can your startup get approved for a business card without already having years of credit history? Well, the short answer is yes. It's actually easier than a lot of founders think. While traditional banks still want years of operating history and strong credit scores, there are more startup-friendly cards that use different methods of establishing your credit worthiness. Founders generally have three categories of business credit cards to consider. There's traditional bank cards, there's secured cards, and then there's startup-friendly corporate cards. Traditional bank cards are what you're probably already familiar with. They're cards with relatively small lines of credit that you typically apply for with your own personal credit history. Now, secured cards are an alternative that doesn't require a credit check, so they work a little bit differently. Rather than being backed by your credit, secured cards are backed by a cash deposit that you make. For example, you can make a $2,000 cash deposit to your secured card, which gives your card a spending limit of $2,000. A secured card makes transactions a whole lot easier than cash, and if you choose a card that reports your payment history to the credit bureaus, it can even build your business credit. And then corporate cards are going to be the most startup-friendly option because, well, one, you can often apply for corporate cards without a credit history, and two, they've got benefits and software capabilities that make it a lot easier to stay on top of expenses inside of a growing organization. On the application front, you'll often connect to a business bank account with maybe a sizable bank balance, or prove cash flow by connecting to Stripe or Shopify accounts. And those signals establish your credit worthiness rather than a traditional credit check. Of course, approval is just how it starts. It's actually using the card that enables your business, and by using it judiciously, that's what builds business credit. And that can unlock future opportunities. Large one-time purchases that you pay off over time, well, they might be possible with the business card, but that's an expense that's generally better suited for more traditional business loans. Instead, use your business card for regular, consistent expenses like subscriptions, travel, or even your office rent, and then pay off your card on time regularly to build your business credit. And the best part? Modern corporate cards automate a lot of tedious expense tracking that can otherwise slow your team down. Expense reports can do themselves and even get approved automatically by AI agents that understand your company's spending policy even better than your finance team, even if your finance team is just you. So yeah, your startup can get approved for a business card. And if you pick the right one, it'll let your team scale with intuitive automations that save them time without you giving up control. I previously made a video about 5 of the best corporate cards out there, and I'll have that linked up here. But first, if you haven't yet, hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to Rant for more expert tips on how your business can save time and save money. See you next time.